Hi everyone. Happy Friday. Yay, it's Friday. I know this is a weird time to be on live. Everybody's probably out. Dinner, if not home from work yet, hanging out in the yard. I've been working here all day and I am trying to get out of here, but I'm finishing up my last things and I thought, why not come on live and see if anybody's on? And if you're not, you can always watch the replay, which is fun. But I'm also doing a Claim It and Make It. I'm doing adorable door tags that I'm just loving. Here's one that says, Hello Sunshine. There are 2 tags. I'd cut these out, sanded them, painted them. Adorable rope hanger. This one says welcome, the black background with the sunflowers. I'm finishing up the bows, so that's why I thought that I would hop on live. You know me and my bows, I love doing bows, although I'm doing a different bow for these, a very simple one that can actually be a bow for dummies, actually. And not to insult anyone, but just to give you an idea how easy they are. So I have some cool ribbon here. And all I'm doing is cutting strips. I loved this with the black and the lemons, very summery. Thought that would go on the black sign. Cool. I also have a great black with white polka dots. And what was the other one? A plain yellow one, very summery. So I'm just gonna cut these and give you an idea. If anybody needs a way to do an easy bow, this is certainly a way to do an easy bow. I'm gonna do 3 strips of these. And again, just cutting simple little strips. I'm also going to do the black with the white polka dot. Not measuring, sort of just eyeballing. Anybody have any great plans? Hey Doris, happy Friday. Hi Marianne, happy Friday. Anybody got cocktails going yet? It is 6 o'clock. It's past 5 o'clock somewhere. Anyway, got all my strips cut. These are going to be the ones for my black, and all I do is take it and scrunch it so it gives a bow shape, but they're just strips. Simple, simple. Sometimes the easy projects are the fun ones, and if I can inspire anyone while I'm doing it, that's always fun too. I'm going to cut these on a slant after I connect them together. Plain old iced tea, huh? All right, well, that's okay. I'll be going out for cocktails at one point. My husband already asked me where we're going to eat. I said, I don't care. Actually, I think we'll go to a local place here that always has live music, burgers, chill. Going out to have some fish for dinner. That sounds good. Love that. We were at a seafood place last night on the water for our Thursday night happy hour, which was fun. It was packed. We couldn't figure out why it... Hey, Angie. We couldn't figure out why it was so crowded and loud and like, oh my God. We get used to going to these places and we feel like we're, I don't know, something special because we're like regulars, but it was just so crowded. Come to find out, it was all teachers and their last day of school. So they were all going out to celebrate the end of the year. Let me tell you something, those teachers were very rowdy. Standing right next to our table. And we had ordered our appetizers, and it's not the server that brings them, I guess it's a runner that brings them, and she brought it to their table, which they didn't order any food. They were drinking outside first. It got cold out, so they came inside and standing right next to our table, and the runner had put our appetizers on their table. knowing that they didn't order food. You have to see how fast they dug into that food. Seconds. So then the waitress realized the mistake. She went to go take the food and bring it to us. And we're like, no thanks. You better let them have it now. Too funny. Yeah, isn't this pretty? And look, I just twist these. And again, I'm doing a claim it while I make it, which could be available on the replay too. So keep that in mind. But look how pretty. A little floppy bow. I'm going to cut these on an angle just so they look finished. There's no loops involved in these for all my people who say, oh, I can't make a bow. Simple, simple, simple. I love black and white. One of my faves. But with this pop of yellow really makes it summery. Well, did the restaurant make it up? Yes, they had to bring us our appetizers that we ordered. I think they wound up buying a round of drinks for it. She really felt bad, but they were so busy. Really wasn't her fault. But I just can't believe that people who didn't order food dug into it very quickly. What did they think? They were just getting free food miraculously? Hey, nuns, how are you? Seeing your... Sorry. So, it's my grandson trying to FaceTime me. I'll have to call him back after this. And I know when a call comes in when I'm live, it cuts it out. All right, so now I am adding this bow to the rope. These could be, they're called door hangers. They could be on a door, they could be on a wall. I'm gonna make myself one for the back deck. The front porch would be cute. They could hang anywhere. But I just love these. They're so cute. Let me fluff it now so you can see it. With the yellow and black hanging. Love it. With the sunflowers. So that's my first one. Now I'm going to do the bow for the next one that says Hello Sunshine. Different colors here. And I am going to use, let's see, I have this, again with lemons on it. Very summery. Yeah, I got something out of it, Doris. It was fine. I just thought it was funny to find out afterwards that they were all teachers. They were certainly happy that the school year was ending, that's for sure. I'm sure they all are. The kids, the teachers. This was a tough year for everybody to navigate. But we made it. Yes, on the ribbon. Thank you, Ange. I'm going to do 3 of these. It's still nice out there. I think the place that we'll go to have burgers, you can sit outside. Again, they have live music, cold cocktails. That's my idea of a perfect night. Let's see, I got this burlap one with a little yellow strip in it. I'll do 2 of those. Lindsay Brown, I see you. Good, you know I'm on live, so you can't call me. And I will do the plain yellow on this too. A pop of sunshine. And then we put them together and just scrunch them in the middle. Love these. Again, called door hangers. They're $25 each. share this with anyone who you know or who you think may be interested or needs a cute little gift idea, a little hostess if you're going to a barbecue. I have a couple of other designs back here I'll show you when I'm finished too. I don't, all different kind of music. It's usually a one-man, I guess you call them a one-man band. They usually are a guitar player and singer, but it's nice on Main Street in a quaint little town where it's nice weather out. It was my biggest thing that I missed last year during COVID was the lack of live music. So to be able to sit outside and have live music again just makes me happy. Use my little pipe cleaners to put these on. My hands are still full of paint. I've been painting all day. So I'll be glad to call it quits. Okay, and again, this is going to go on the rope hanger. Get this on here tight. I don't know if it's like cover, yeah, I guess it is like cover music. Some of them are better than others, obviously, but that's okay. Then you gotta fluff your bow once you get it on. Let's see. Oh, I love these colors too. Every one that I do, it's been different. I'm like, ooh, I like this one. Ooh, I like that one. There we go. And there's the Hello Sunshine to show it up close. Has a little sun on it. Going again. So they don't come apart. These I've connected again. Sorry. It has the rope, so it can hang on the door. It could hang on a wall. It could hang on the house, on the deck, on the porch. The brown does look pretty with the yellow, right? So I'm going to show you them all. This is the Hello Sunshine. Again, they're $25 each. If anybody's interested, send me a PM or share this with anyone. I know I'm not supposed to say that word. Spread the love for anyone who you know or think may be interested. Here's Stars and Stripes that say welcome, and that has the bow on it too. So there's that one. Then I have the Hello Summer. Love this aqua color and that pretty bow. Very summery. And again, the black and the yellow with the sunflowers that says welcome. Turn this bow so you can see that. And just very easy to hang with the rope hanger. A hostess gift is great, right? 4th of July, if you're going for any barbecues, it's just a cute little gift. Or even for yourself. I'm gonna put one on my back deck. So there's the black one. Here's my Hello Sunshine. And these Stars and Stripes that say welcome. So again, $25. PM me with any interest, or please S-H-A-R-E this for anyone who you think may be interested. They could send me a PM and I'll be glad to handle that for them. I am finally going to get out of the shop. I'm going to go get dressed or changed and head out for something to eat, listen to some music, have a cocktail. I hope you all have a fabulous Friday night, and I will talk to you soon. Good night now. Bye, Doris.